Hey, welcome back to another video of Trading Basics. In today's video, we are going to learn how to buy fractional shares on Webull, which is an awesome way to invest in expensive stocks without having to buy a full share. Let's get started. Before diving into the steps, let's talk about the fractional shares are. Instead of buying a whole share of stock, fractional shares allow you to buy a portion of a share. This is great for high-priced stock that might be out of reach for some investors. For example, if a stock costs $3,000 per share, you can buy a piece of it for little as $5 or $10 on Webull. To start buying fractional shares, first make sure your account is set up to allow them. In Webull application, go to your account settings and confirm the fractional trading is enabled. This feature may not be available for all stock or in all regions, so make sure it's active in your account. Now let's look at how to select a stock. Go to your Markets tab on the top navigation bar. Use the search bar to find a stock that supports fractional trading. We will offer fractional share on many popular US stocks and ETF, so choose company or ETF you are interested in and go to its main page on the application. When you are on the stock page, click on the buy. Instead of selecting a number of shares, look for fractional share option and enter the dollar amount you like to invest. For instance, you might decide to invest $20 on high-priced stock. This way, you are not buying a full share, but rather a fraction of it based on your chosen amount. Before placing your order, review all the details including the price per share, the amount you are investing, and any fee that might apply. Once everything looks good, go ahead and confirm your order. Webull will execute it based on the current market price and you'll receive the equivalent fraction of a share for your investment. Now that you know how to buy fractional share on Webull, fractional investment can be a powerful tool for both beginner and experienced investor. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel and comment down if you have any queries.